How to fix the black screen on Twitch stream. So if you want to fix your black screen on your Twitch screen, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Twitch, go with www.twitch.tv, and you'll get this kind of interface, right? Once you're here, you need to just simply go with the three dots on your browser and then go with settings. Now once you're on your settings, you need to go with privacy and security, which will be on the left side, and then go with third-party cookies. And look for see all site data and permissions. Now over on top, you will have the search bar. You need to look for Twitch. And here you can see the delete icon, which will be on the right side. You need to go and click on delete and delete all of your cookies, cache, and everything. Go with delete. And once you've done the delete, I want you to look into your settings, go with the three dots, which will be in the top right again. And here you need to go with the extension section. Now, if you have any extensions that you're not using or which are bothering you, then go with manage extensions and then just remove the extension that you don't need or that you're not using. Or just simply turn it off if you're not using the extensions right now. After that, you can restart your computer and everything should be fixed. However, if the issue is still there, you need to go back and then you need to search for CMD. And you will have command prompt. You need to right click on the command prompt and go with run as administrator. Once you click on run as administrator for your command prompt, now here you need to enter some commands, which is the first one is ipconfig /flush DNS. Hit the enter, and then the next command would be ipconfig /renew, and again hit the enter. Once done, you can restart your PC, and then once you're back on your screen, everything will be working well. That's how you can fix the black screen on Twitch, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.